Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.1 question number 4 from the chapter relations and functions. Show that the relation R in R. This R is a set of real numbers defined as the name of that relation is R, A, B. A is less than or equal to B is reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. So it is given R is from R to R, that is it is this R, the bold R is set of real numbers. So the relation R is a subset of R cross R real numbers. So we have to write R now. R is A, B, where A is less than or equal to B. Set of all ordered pairs where A is less than or equal to B. Now is it reflexive? So let us take an element A belongs to R. A, belongs to R because A is equal to, the condition is A is less than or equal to, either less than or equal to should be there. Either the condition R is A, the ordered R is equal to the set of all ordered pairs A, B, where A is less than or equal to B. So A, belongs to R as A is equal to A, isn't it? So for example, if you take 1, 1 belongs to R, because reason is 1 is equal to 1, either equal to or less than. So it is reflexive. Is it symmetric? If AB belongs to R, we have to check whether BA belongs to R. What is the meaning of AB belongs to R? A is less than or equal to B. Will B less than or equal to A? No. B will be greater than or equal to A. BA. So B is greater than or equal to A. So BA doesn't belong to R. For example, 2, 4 belongs to R. What does it mean? 2 is less than 4. 2, 4 belongs to R. Why 2, 4 belongs to R? Because 2 is less than 4. It satisfies this condition given here. A is, the first element is either less than or equal to B. So 2, 4 belongs to R because the first element 2 is less than 4. Is 4, 2 belongs to R? The reverse of 2, 4, 4, 2, does it belong to R? No, because 4 is greater than 2. The condition is A, B, A is less than or equal to B. The second element is greater. Here the second element is smaller. So it is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Is it transitive? So we have to prove if AB and BC belong to R, then AC belongs to R. That is, if A is less than or equal to B and B is less than or equal to C, then A is less than or equal to C. That is true. For example, if 2 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 8, so 2 will be less than 8. So it is transitive. So this relation is reflexive but not symmetric, and it is transitive also. It is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. That's what we asked to prove. Reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Now we'll move on to the next question. Question number 5. Check whether the relation R defined by R is A, B. A is less than or equal to B cube is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. And we have to check whether it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So what is the relation given? R is A, B, A less than or equal to B cube. So again it is in the set of real numbers. So the relation R is a subset of R cross R. R is, this capital R is a set of real numbers. Is it reflexive? It is not, because what is the condition? The first element should be less than or equal to B cube. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2. For example, I am taking a fraction. Any fraction you can take does not belong to R, because if you cube this number, the second element 1 by 2, if you cube it, it will become 1 by 8. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 8. The condition is it should be less than. So it is not true. For some cases it might be true, but you have to, it should be true for all the elements. That's a reflexive. R is not reflexive for every element. A belongs to R. A comma A should be there in R, but here A comma A is not there in R. It's not reflexive. Now we'll check whether it is symmetric. How do you check whether it is symmetric? Let us take 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 1 comma 2 belongs to R because when you cube the second element 2 cube is 8. 1 is less than 8. The question here is, the relation is A comma B if A is less than or equal to B cube. 1 is less than 2 cube. 1 is less than 8. So 1 comma 2 belongs to R. What about 2 comma 1? 2 is greater than 1 cube, isn't it? If you cube this 1 cube, 2 is greater than. So if 2 is greater than means it will not be there because it should be A less than equal to. But here A is greater than. So 2 comma 1 is not in R. So AB belongs to R, but B is not in R. That means R is not symmetric. Is it transitive? So let us take 3 elements, 3 numbers, 3, 3 by 2, some fraction I have taken, and another number starting with 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, 6 by 5. Now 3 comma 3 by 2 belongs to R because 3 is less than 3 by 2 the whole cube. 27 by 8 will be 3 point something. Be greater. So 3 is less than this number. Now you take 3 by 2 and 6 by 5. Cube the second number. 6 by 5 the whole cube. So this will be greater. 216 by 125. It will be greater than this number. So now we have to check whether 3 and 6 by 5, whether 3 and 6 by 5, the ordered pair, 3 comma 6 by 5, whether it belongs to R. Is 3 less than 6 by 5 the whole cube? No, 3 is greater than 6 by 5 the whole cube. Okay, so here 3 is greater, 3 is because 6 by 5 the whole cube means 216 by 125 is some 1 point something. So 3 is greater than that. So 3 comma 6 by 5 doesn't belong to R because it doesn't satisfy that condition given. So AB and BC belong to R, but AC doesn't belong to R. Therefore it is not transitive. Reflexive. So R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Okay, thank you.